Hey, welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and just a quick announcement of a new fast ring build of Windows 10 17733 just released to the fast ring, so check it out. It's available now. Of course, I am installing it. I fired up my Windows Insider machine and installing the latest build. Of course, we will be reviewing it later today, so just look at the videos. It's coming up later in the day today. We will be, of course, checking out what's good, what's bad, if there's anything new in there, and just, seeing the overall quality of the build as we usually do. So hope you enjoy. So fire up your machines, go to the Windows updates, and it should be available. And one quick note to those that always ask, how do I get this? You got to go into your Windows update, go into the the Windows Insider on the left side. At the bottom, you just activate Windows Insider builds. That's how we get builds and being in the Insider program. But don't do that on your main computer. It's not a good idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.